Welcome to WhatGear Reviews. Today is the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition, one of the fastest phones of 2019 versus the mighty Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. And this one will be different from other speed test comparisons you've seen in the past because I'm going to use post editing to line up the opening and closing of the app, so there's no mistake, no human error when it comes to touching the screen at the right time. So let's kick this off with a boot up speed test. Alright guys, so these are the apps I'm going to be testing. I ran these before making the video, the Geekbench and the Antutu. And just so you guys know the difference between these two devices, on the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition, we have the world's most powerful Qualcomm processor of 2019. It's the Snapdragon 855 Plus. Then on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G here in the UK, we have the Exynos chipset, which is Samsung's own 7nm processor. So check out these results that we got here. So as you can see straight away, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus has a higher single core score, only by a few points, but this is a major difference here. When it comes to multi-core score, there is a huge difference here between the two. So I wonder if this is going to be a factor when it comes to opening and closing the apps, and that's what we're about to find out. But let me show you the Antutu score before we do all that. So again, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus is winning the race on paper. A massive difference between the scores here, and I want to show you this as well. This is the ranking according to Geekbench, and the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition ranks number 2 in the world for the fastest phones. The only phone that's tested faster than this is the ROG Phone 2, which is a dedicated gaming phone. So that phone might be a little bit faster, but it loses out on style points compared to the McLaren in my opinion. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus Snapdragon Edition is number 6, and the Exynos Edition is number 8. So it's number 2 versus number 8 today. So that's enough talk. Let's do some testing. Okay, so that was the first 5 apps manually opened by hand and then lined up in post editing to make sure there's no human error. You got the exact timings of the load speeds. Now we're going to test the Google Assistant on both devices, and I'll apologize now if I wake up your assistant during this section of the video, but this is a really good way to test how good the chipsets are, because AI is part of the chipset and the speed in which it can perform tasks is super important. So let's do it. Okay Google, open YouTube. Okay Google, open Twitter. Okay Google, open Instagram. Okay, Google. Open Maps.
Opening Maps.
Okay, Google. Open Reddit.
Opening Reddit.
Okay, Google. What's the weather like in London tomorrow?
In London tomorrow, it will be cloudy with a high of 53 and a low of 47.
So there you go, guys. Which one of these do you think won overall? Let me know. Both of these are super fast powerhouse smartphones, and honestly, if you bought either one, you will not be disappointed. I've only just got my hands on the McLaren edition OnePlus 7T Pro, so I'm going to do a bunch more videos on this. If you want to see a camera comparison between these two, let me know. I'm also going to be getting an iPhone, so if you want to see a speed test with these devices versus the iPhone, let me know in the comments below and I'll make that for you guys. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, I appreciate a thumbs up, and if you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man. See you in the next one.